everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something a little different but so delicious. Chicken thighs marinated in a creamy, tangy blend of yogurt, fresh lemon juice and a few surprise ingredients. It might not be your usual chicken recipe, but trust me, the flavors come together in the most amazing way. You're gonna love it. So stick around and let's dive into this mouth-watering recipe. You won't want to miss this one. So, here's what you'll need to make this irresistible chicken dish. 1 kg of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, perfectly cleansed and prepped with small cuts to absorb all the amazing flavors. 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, which adds a creamy tang. 125 milliliter of cooking cream to bring that rich, luxurious texture. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for that essential base flavor. 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise for an extra creamy, velvety touch. Fresh green chilies. Now that's optional, but I highly recommend to use at least half or even 1 to add a fantastic depth of flavor. 4 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves for a subtle earthy aroma. Black pepper to taste, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Red chili powder, preferably freshly pounded dried red chilies to get flakes and a nice smoked chili taste. If you really can't find or don't have any, you can then use the store-bought red chili powder. 1.5 tablespoon of Garam Masala and the juice of 1.5 lemons to brighten up the flavors with a zesty kick. To get started, take your bowl of chicken thighs and let's pack in the flavor. Add the yogurt, cooking cream, mayonnaise, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, garam masala, cumin powder, salt and the fresh lemon juice. Now mix it all together, making sure every piece of this chicken is well coated with this creamy aromatic marinade. For an extra hit of flavor, add in your fresh green chilies. The heat is totally up to you, but I highly recommend at least a little bit of that special kick. Once everything's mixed, cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. If you've got more time, let it marinate longer. The more time, the deeper the flavors will soak in. Now that your chicken has soaked up all those incredible flavors, it's time to cook. Grab a deep, spacious pan and heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I'm using olive oil, but feel free to use whatever oil you prefer. Once the oil is hot, gently place the chicken pieces into the pan, making sure they are spread out nicely. Cover the pan with a lid and let them cook on medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. This will allow the chicken to get a beautiful golden crust while locking in all that juices. Now open the lid and flip the chicken pieces. Now this is optional, but if you love a touch of heat, I highly recommend adding at least a small pinch of red chili powder at this point. Stir everything together gently, cover the pan again and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now remove the lid and give it all a nice stir. You'll want to cook it uncovered for about 5 more minutes, letting the chicken caramelize and develop those deep, rich flavors. Here's where the magic happens. Take your dried fenugreek leaves, crush them between your hands to release that beautiful aroma and sprinkle them over the chicken. Stir well to make sure the fenugreek mixes perfectly into the dish. Let everything cook for an additional 3 minutes or until you start seeing the oil separate from the chicken. This is when you know it's done to its perfection. And there you have it, a mouth-watering creamy chicken dish that's bursting with bold, fragrant flavors. The creaminess of the yogurt, the spice of the green chilies, and the subtle hit of fenugreek all come together to create a dish that's simply irresistible. Serve it with paratha, roti, naan, or anything you love, and get ready to be blown away by how delicious it is. Now it's your turn to give this recipe a try. Trust me, once you take that first bite, you will understand how good this creamy chicken dish is. If you love it or if you add your own twist, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it turned out for you or what extra spices or ingredients you use to make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay blessed.